Hello, hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. How are we all doing? I miss you all. If you're just stumbling across this video, welcome on board. For all my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to this channel. What can I say but just to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I took a break, okay, a short break. It wasn't a long break, just a short break, because I needed to attend to one or two things, okay, personal, all right, and but I'm back. So I'm gonna be fully bringing out my products. You know what I do. You know what we're all about in this channel. We're all about organic products. We're all about plant-based products. We're all about products that are non-toxic. We are all about herbal products. We're all about products that do what they say they do. And we are all about effective products that are effective. We're all about products that are as good as the food you eat. We're all about products that do not damage your skin. And all our health supplements are as good, like I said, as the food you eat. And you can take them with no long-term side effects at all. Can you beat that? Can you beat that? So I'm fully back now, and I'm happy to be back, and I'm happy to be doing my demos again on this channel, okay, because I know a lot of people come to this channel to watch demos of lovely organic products, okay, which we showcase here, from Atomy. So welcome on board. If you're one of my subscribers, welcome again. If you're just stumbling across this video, welcome again. If you watch the video, you like it, feel free to subscribe, feel free to like the video, okay? We need your likes, okay, and we need your subscription, because we're just trying to grow this channel, and we're babies on YouTube, and we're just trying to grow the channel, and we're adding value to people's lives. When we do these product demos, people like, oh my gosh, I didn't know this product could do this. Oh, I didn't know Atomy had this product. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this product could do all of this, and I didn't even know how it works. I didn't even know how to use it, but now watching this video, I now know how to use it. So we are adding value to people's lives, and yeah, so if you like our videos, please feel free to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to also click the notification button so that whenever I come live like this, like I pop up on your screen, you'll be able to like pop in. So look at me. Anyway, so let's get back to business. I've got some products which I have obviously just received, okay, from Atomy. Yeah, I like when we post for our pictures and we go say Atomy. Yeah, those of you who are watching Atomians, you will understand that language, okay? So yeah, my first part. Oh, they seal these products like you're never gonna open them. Oh, let's try. I'm doing my best to see if I can. Let's get to business. Too much talk is not good. Let's get to business. Let's see it. Let's get down. Let's get cracking. What is in here? Come on. My people are anxious. They're waiting. They're anxious. They're waiting. They want to see what is in. By the way, if you love my lipstick, because these days I get people telling me, oh, I love your lipstick. Where did you buy that from? Look no further. It's one of our one of our cosmetic products, in fact, it's called the Adelico Red. If you want a good lipstick, come to me. I'll show you how to get a good lipstick. This is the Atomy Adelico Red. Come on, guys. You can't go wrong with this one. Look at those sumptuous, sexy, lips. Okay. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love the lipstick. I love the lipstick. You know, after getting this Adelica red, I went and I bought a gloss. I bought the gloss in different colors. Now, let me not go ahead of myself. Don't worry. I'm going to do a demo on the cosmetic products, you know, so that you ladies can see, you know, and you'll be amazed, you know. Lovely, lovely, lovely colors and you know. So what do we have here? Atomy body cleanser. Oh yes, I love my body cleanser. And guess what? This big it's just about, I think, £11.50. Can you imagine this big? You know, so this is quite good. This is value for money. Okay, Atomy Herbal Cleanser. It's a bestseller amongst a lot of my friends, you know, who have tried it. Okay, you know, and I have also tried it. This is one to have, okay, in your bathroom. Okay, this is a lovely herbal body cleanser. I'm going to come and do a demo on this one because this is one of our newest products that have just arrived. So I'm going to do a demo where I'm going to really talk about the components and the ingredients and everything that has gone into getting you this amazing herbal body cleanser. So watch that space. All right, let's look at the next one. Herbal body cleanser. Did I show you that properly? So you can see it. What is it? Yeah. So you can see it. Atomy Herbal Body Cleanser. And if I bring it out, yeah, I think I should bring it out so you see it properly. It's quite a fat big bottle. Can you see that? Fat big bottle, you know. See, and it's full. It's thick. It's rich. You know, you can't go wrong with this one. You know, and that's what I love about Atomy products as well. They give you value for your money. Okay, you can't go wrong. You know, and plus the fact that you're getting top quality organic products, you know. What is here? What is here, guys? Oh, look, all that from a tiny pack like this. Come on. Well, they need to package it properly and give it a good buffer so your products are not damaged. Again, another plus for Atomy. You know, they really buffer it up so it doesn't get damaged. Okay. So I love, this is my best part of the day where I just ease out, just unboxing. A lot of you are used to this now. If you're regular on this channel, you're used to it. Hand cream. This is one of our new products as well. Okay, Atomy hand cream. Look, you know, best hand cream you'll ever use, and I say it with all assurance and all certainty. I know when you use this hand cream, you're gonna come back looking for some more hand cream. Okay, watch out for the space because I am going to be doing a demo on this lovely hand cream. So watch out. Let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, what do we have here? Let's quickly go. Oh, we're not gonna waste time. All right. This is sharp. Let's get it all over with. You see, because I haven't done this for a couple of weeks now, like I just took a break to attend to other things, and I'm losing my touch now. I used to go pew, 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 pew. You know. I'm losing my touch now. What do we have here? Oh my God. Who is in the garden? A little tiny girl. Can I come and see her? No. If you come and see her, la 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 la. Did I forgotten? Old school. You know that song. You know that. You know who is in the garden? A little pretty girl. Can I come and see her? No. If you do, I've lost it. Age. I can't remember it anymore. Anyways, what do we have here? Complete that for me if you remember that song, you know, if you are in the old school range. Okay, please leave me a comment and finish up the song for me so that I can learn the part I've forgotten. All right, this is the Atomy brush, best toothbrush you ever use. Okay, again, we do home personal lifestyle products, everyday necessity products that you use at home. Okay, so What's special about this toothbrush, apart from the material it's made of, the bristles itself, they are antibacterial. They actually repel bacteria, you know. Again, watch out for a demo coming really soon. All right. And ooh, my sunscreen. You know we're approaching summer now, okay? Go get yours. Adami makes the best sunscreen. Go get yours. I'm telling you, I kid you not. I kid you not. Go get yours, okay? Go get yours. Anyway, if you want to contact me, please feel free. Connect with me. My WhatsApp number is here. Connect with me, and I'll show you how to get this in the comfort of your own home, okay? Oh, I love this. We're approaching summer, so Adami sunscreen. I actually bought the two types. They've got two types, so I wasn't sure which one is better. Which one is? I'm like, I'll just take the two. Let me be greedy. I just bought the two, you know. So I'm gonna try both of them and see, and then obviously I settle for the one I prefer. But right now, I just want to try both of them. Oh gosh, a friend of mine bought it and she said, did you know their sunscreen is so good? And I'm like, really? I'm gonna try it. So I'm also trying products, okay? And I'm finding out that, oh my gosh, I can't fault Atomy products. I just can't fault them because every day I'm also trying products and I'm just loving them. I can't fault these products. They're lovely. They're just good. They're just good. So let's go for the last one. So let's see what is in the last one now. This one feels heavy. Ooh, this one feels heavy. I wonder what's in here. It feels heavy. Might be toothpaste. You're tired of seeing the toothpaste now? Oh my God. I know you're tired of seeing my Propolis toothpaste. But don't be tired. Nobody gets tired of a good product. Nobody gets tired of a good product. You know? A good product speaks for itself. Nobody gets tired of a good product. We just love them and we want them over and over again. Okay? That's what a good product does to you. You just want it over and over and over and over again. I was right. When it's heavy, I kind of know what I get, you know, from doing this over and over again. I kind of know what I get, you know, when it comes, okay? I told you, this feels and looks like it's gonna be the Propolis toothpaste. Best toothpaste you will ever use in your life, okay? Made from the two active ingredients, okay? Make up this amazing product. And I'm sure you've heard me say it over and over again. Atomy Propolis toothpaste is made from catechine, which is the active ingredient in green tea, and propolis, which is that brownish jelly-like substance around beehives, okay? And both of them have very strong antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. These are so good, you know, for mouth ulcers, prevents dental cavities, prevents plaque, prevents bad breath, you know, so, you know, somebody with a bad breath, you know, you go buy this as a gift for them. Okay, you'll be doing them a lifetime favor. Okay, and obviously you're not going to say, oh, I think you have bad breath, you go get it. You know, no, it's just like a gift, you know, for them. And try